I've got to the top of Traprain Law. Here's a little rock shelter, and there's the trig point and some of the ponies up here. And sadly, as you can see, it's pretty hazy out there. I've got a baffle on the microphone, so I'm sincerely hoping that the little breeze we've got up here is not interfering with the sound too much. I will take some pictures up here. Hopefully you can make out Bass Rock out there, and somewhere out there is the Isle of May, but I can't actually see it with the naked eye. Berwick Law is over there somewhere. It's quite sunny, and I suppose there's a possibility that as the day wears on, this sort of, I don't know what you call it, smog, clag, will actually clear a bit, and maybe near a sunset I can come back up and we'll get something a little bit better. But I think there'll be something very productive from this, because what we are able to see out there in the distance, and what I hope I'll capture on some video with a bit of a zoom and maybe some enhancement when I get back home, is that when the atmosphere is responsible for blocking the view out to the horizon, you don't actually get a sharp horizon. I can see the sea, I can see the water, and then it just kind of merges into the haze out there. So the flat earthers who claim that the sharp horizon that we see in reality is not proof that the earth is not flat are completely wrong. Looking over in this direction towards Hopeton Monument, which I can make out, and the bridges should be out there in the distance, and the Fintry Hills belong beyond, and I can't even make out the Queensferry crossing. So the chances of seeing the Fintry Hills or the mountains, Ben Lomond, Ben Nanain, Ben Eam out in the distance there, not very good just at the moment. So a bit disappointing, but hopefully I'll get something that's useful. I had brought this water level with me. I've got some coloured water. I also have Jeroen's old wild surveyor's level in the rucksack down there, which is quite heavy. Lugging it up the hill's been quite hard work, but I'm not sure that's going to give me anything very useful at the moment anyway. So barely a cloud in the sky. Okay, hopefully we're back. I touched the thing on the camera. The moon is up there, quite clearly visible, barely a cloud in the sky, one or two little ones here, but down at ground level, sadly, there's rather a lot of haze. A little bit of breeze which might clear it, maybe the sun will burn it off, but I've seen this before in Scotland, where unfortunately it just stays like this right through till sunset, and you never really get good visibility. So I'm not that hopeful, but who knows. Okay, I'm going to sign off and maybe set up a tripod and take a picture.